Hello YouTube. Alright, today we're doing a bunch of stuff, but right now for this video I'm going to show you how to get gum off of the seat. This is gum that's collected dirt or attracted dirt to it, stuck to it, and I'm going to get it off. So what you need is a terry towel or some sort of towel, lacquer thinner, or some sort of solvent like goof off or bug and tar remover. And then I like to use, just like when I'm taking house paint off of a seat, I'll use a stiff object that's not sharp, such as a Phillips screwdriver that's not sharp, because I don't want to poke holes in it. I don't want to cut the cloth or anything weird like that. So I'm going to put a little bit on there. I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle it. It's not going to hurt anything. Scrape at it, kind of scrape the whole area so that you don't just get one scratchy looking spot from wearing at it with the screwdriver. If that makes any sense, if you do just one little spot, you could end up with a fuzzy spot. If you do the whole area, and the whole area gets worked equally, and you don't run the risk of having another weird spot when you're done getting rid of your stain. As you can see, it's getting pretty close. I can't see much of it left. I'll wipe it, put some pressure. And it's a big old bright spot. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is add a little more. These seats are wet. I shampooed them, so adding the solvent and then ended up with that weird white spot. It's really more of just a milky look from lacquer thinner mixing with water. So I'll run the extractor on it again when I'm done, so that I know it's done, and I don't just have a